186 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 2nd November. According to health bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 2nd November, 208 people recovered in last 24 hours. 7 new deaths reported. Total confirmed cases in the states are 43,954. Total active cases in the state stands at 2,215. Total recovered cases stands at 41,123. Total 616 deaths are reported till 2nd November. Goa's recovery rate is 93.56%. Total samples tested till 2nd November are 3,02,832. Breakup of total 2,215 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 66, CSC Sakre 73, CSC Pernam 40, CSC Valpai 41, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 83, USC Panji 130, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldona 35, PSC Petki 41, PSC Kandolem 97, PSC Kansarvarnam 13, PSC Korwai 110, PSC Kolem 99, PSC Chimbal 137, PSC Shiolem 89, PSC Porvorim 120, PSC Maim 15, Travelers by road flight train 0, South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorem 25, CSC Kankona 32, Urban Health Center, USC Margao 216, USC Vasco 108, Primary Health Center, PSC Pali 32, PSC Kansavlim 41, PSC Chinchenim 22, PSC Kortalim 88, PSC Kurtorim 68, PSC Lutolim 42, PSC Marsam 41, PSC Kapam 46, PSC Sangam 25, PSC Shiroda 28, PSC Darbandara 39, PSC Ponda 127, PSC Navilim 46. Bed capacity in COVID Care Center as on 2nd November are as follows. District North total capacity 275, current vacancy 199. District South total capacity 352, current vacancy 301. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.